Staple foods for the keto diet. With the keto diet, you have to keep several things in mind when it comes to what kind of foods you need to have readily available at home if you want to give this kind of lifestyle a shot. Here is a list of the core foods you should have in the store cupboard, fridge or freezer when following a keto diet. Offal. Offal means organ meats, which primarily includes liver and kidney, but also includes heart and tongue. It might sound somewhat strange to start our list with offal, but organ meats are really healthy and very tasty, contrary to popular belief. They are also cheaper cuts of meat if you are on a budget. One of the main reasons for starting this list with offal is that it contains very little fat, yet has high quality protein. Eggs. The next keto diet food is eggs. Eggs are very versatile and they can be used in cooking, baking, or eaten on their own. Ideal for breakfast, they contain protein, which is of course one of the main reasons why you eat eggs, but all that protein comes with fat as well. The keto diet recommends high fat during the first few weeks, so eating eggs will provide you with a delicious fat in the yolk. Fat. As we have mentioned, fat now seems a good time to continue with this ingredient. Butter and coconut oil are great, but try and add some olive oil to your meals. Olive oil is not a saturated fat, so it is much better for your heart. Other healthy fats come from eating olives, so these are great to have in the fridge. And don't forget creamy, delicious avocados. Although they are classed as fruit, they are one of the few included in the keto diet due to their high fat content. Nuts and seeds. Nuts, a keto staple, are another source of healthy fat and are great for snacking on. When you are on a keto diet, you cannot have all those carb-loaded snacks like biscuits, chocolate cakes and crisps, or chips. Nuts make a great snack, as do seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best. Dairy. To get a healthy dose of fat and protein when on the keto diet, try to eat full-fat dairy products. Cheese is one of the best examples, but again, just be careful not to overeat it, as it can add up quickly in terms of calories if you do. Meat and poultry. Poultry contains a lot of protein, so it makes a great addition to your meal plan on the keto diet. Turkey meat is usually the cheapest option, but if money is not an issue, don't forget duck and goose. Fish and seafood. Fish can sometimes be overlooked on the keto diet, but consuming oily fish, in particular, provides your body with essential omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are an anti-inflammatory and are necessary to try and offset the inflammatory nature of the keto diet. Tinned mackerel, salmon, and small fish such as sardines and anchovies are great to have in your store cupboard. Vegetables. When thinking about the keto diet, some people think that they are not allowed to eat vegetables. This is not the case. Vegetables contain vitamins and minerals that keep us healthy. You now have a list of the main items you will need to follow the keto diet. With some careful budgeting and a little planning, you will always have some keto-friendly foods in stock. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.